Warning. The video you are about to witness was made by the same two idiots as the last, this time trying to make the perfect balance between not so edgy humor but be informational as well. And due to this reason, you are to be warned. Your discretion is advised.
Kevin, we gotta make our video! What are you doing?
Listening to music?
That's more like it!
Yes. Meme machine. Meme machine.
Fish sauce! Michael here! Back with another amazing, scientifically accurate video. Today, we're going to be doing the life cycle of a star. So you start out with the stellar nebula. This is exactly what it looks like, okay? I'm a photorealistic drawer. Don't doubt me. Anyway, so what does the good old stellar nebula do? Well, basically it's a bunch of dust that coagulates together, just like, you know, just sucks in, and you know, it's good old just gets a bunch of dust to go and stuff like that, and it forms together, spins in a circle, okay? And when it spins into a circle, it spins so fast it gets like 15 million degrees. It nuclear fuses together, and that's when it gets into our next thing, an average star. Totally photorealistic picture of a star. So what does an average star do? It provides light, duh. Seriously though, or you know, it just kind of like just exists, I guess. You know, puts off light, all the fun stuff. You know, basically what our sun is right now. But the thing is that doesn't always happen. You want to know why? Because mass. But we're talking about, you know, sun mass. You know, stuff like that. You know. A reasonable sun range for now. Okay, so anyway, what happens with the average star is, you know, over time it just expands, but its core gets denser. You know what happens? There you go. You know what happens? Then you get a red giant. You get your good old red, you know, your red giant, you know, old red giant. Accurate photo. You know, you gotta get your red giant. So over time, that kind of disintegrates. Then over time, it just kind of evolves and becomes a planetary nebula. You get your planetary nebula. Kind of looks like an eyeball, but you know, whatever. Planetary nebula. Over time, it comes together so densely, it makes our final step. And it becomes a white dwarf. So you got your white dwarf. Not at all. Now we go to the denser stuff. The denser stuff is the cooler stuff. Yeah, with the denser stuff that's like 10 times, you know, no biggie, 10 times bigger than our sun is. This stuff turns into something else, okay? You want to know what it turns into? It turns into a massive star. Massive star, okay? Then guess what we have after that? We have the good old red supergiant. You got your super red giant, you know.
Over 9,000!
Anyway, so you got your good old supernova. Supernova happens, it gets denser. So supernova condenses, what does it become? Two different things can happen, okay? Number one, the good old neutron star.
Just a little sodium chloride.
You got the neutron star, the good old neutron star. You know, the good old neutron star. What can happen to the neutron star? It gets so dense, in fact, that it makes a black hole. The cool thing about black holes is they just give everything to suck. But no, they like manipulate matter, and it's just cool, but that's I ain't here to explain that, dude. I'm not any astrophysicist.
I churned butter once or twice, living in an Amish paradise.
Okay guys, it's Bill Nye! Our question for today is can our sun go supernova? A little foreshadowing, the answer is no. Okay, our sun can't go supernova because it isn't massive enough. If our sun did go supernova, it would be very, very bad. Okay, so the largest our sun can go is red giant. Okay, so when our sun goes red giant in 5 million years, the polar bears will no longer be drowning like we warned you about in our last PSA. They will be burnt like a 30-piece KFC bucket. Not only will the polar bears be done, they will be finished. Okay, so no, yeah, if our sun goes red giant, everything on the planet will be screwed. The sun will just like go right in the face. The Earth just right in the face.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone.
Our sun cannot go supernova. Run!